Here's Liam doing his chores.
Good job, buddy.
Oh, nice. Yeah,
Well,
good job,
thank
sweetie.
you.
Hand them to Sissy. There you go.
Let me see that. Thank you, bud. Thank you.
Yeah, you handed them to Claire? Good job.
Thank you.
All right, bud.
Good job. Good. Uh-oh. There you go.
Here's Liam's chore. He helps empty the dishwasher.
Thank you. Good job.
Way to go, buddy. I know, that's a little heavy. Do the forks. You got the forks? Get the forks, Liam. There you go.
Thank you.
There you go, bud.
Oh, good job.
Got some more? You make sure you get them all for Sissy.
Thank you.
Oh, big boy helping out. Yeah, big boy.
Yes. Good job. Great. Keep helping.
That's our big boy.
Thank you. Last one.
One more.
This one.
One more, Liam. Good boy. Yay! All done. Yay! All done. Good job.